everybody. Welcome back from Kissimmee, Florida on a beautiful February afternoon here. Nice and warm outside. There might be some rain on the way. Today I'm really excited to share with you. I'm going to give you some information about my mobile health insurance that I hinted at it a few videos ago. I asked for some feedback on that, and I come to find out that a lot of people are really interested in how I'm able to find a national PPO insurance company that'll let me go out of state. So in this video, I'm going to give a lot of specifics. I'm going to show you some numbers. At the end of the video, there's also going to be some links in the video description. I'm going to give you my policy writer's direct email, Zachary Roberts, as well as his webpage there, so that if you're interested in this, you can also go to him and have him write you a custom policy as well. Not being paid for this or anything, not getting any kickbacks from him, but because he helped me, I feel like he could definitely help some other people who are just kind of lost out there and wondering, how in the heck are we going to find something that works outside of our state? So I got a lot of important information to share with you in this video. Don't worry, we will get through it. But first, a big shout out to the video sponsor of this video. Thank you, ExpressVPN. Take back your internet privacy today with the click of a button. Seriously. You can select your server from a massive list of worldwide servers here. Then go back over to the connect button, click. Bam, done, just like that. Keep yourself and your information safe. With ExpressVPN, you get ultra-fast connection speeds, worldwide global access, and a really easy-to-use interface. Available on your laptop, your tablet, or your phone. I have really been enjoying ExpressVPN's fast connection speeds and accessing content that is sometimes only available in certain countries for my streaming subscriptions. Without ExpressVPN, your internet browsing data can be tracked by your ISP, your cellular provider, ad companies, and hackers. You can get all this for about $7 a month with a 30-day money-back guarantee if you use my custom special unique link, expressvpn.com/nomadic. Again, check out the video description box below for that link, expressvpn.com/nomadic. Take back your internet privacy today and find out how you can get 3 months free with the 1-year package by clicking that custom link in the video description below, expressvpn.com/nomadic. And thank you again, ExpressVPN, for sponsoring this video. Now, on to health insurance. First of all, let me give you a little bit of history. Jax and I have been full-time RVing for nearly 9 years now. It'll be 9 years this summer. And in that time, this is the first year here in 2019 that I have had health insurance that was accessible outside of my state of residency back home. So for a while there, it was Washington State and then also South Dakota. All of the insurance premiums that I was paying for myself, I could only use in those states. Really irritating because pretty much every medical problem I had was on the road somewhere else, and I was paying out of pocket. In fact, I paid right here a couple months ago, $250 out of pocket for an urgent care visit, and then I had to pay for all of my prescriptions out of pocket 100% as well. And that really added up on the road, and it got me thinking. I actually reached out and I got in touch with a policy writer, Zachary Roberts, and again, his information is also in the video description below if you want to get in touch with him. I'm going to go through some of the numbers here, so I'm going to flash some stuff up on your screen right now if you want to look ahead. But essentially, I've got a $5,000 deductible. I pay $30 copay for doctor office visits and urgent care, so it doesn't matter if you have a primary or you go to urgent care and get to be seen a lot quicker. It's always going to be $30 for the first 3, and then I don't pay any more copays for the rest of the year. I will just say you might want to pause the video if you want to zoom into some of these numbers specifically just so you can see what I'm at. Understand that your policy is going to be custom. It's going to look differently. Some numbers will get tweaked, and that's what you can find out is what exactly you're available and what you're going to pay. I'm just sharing some of my information. I am a non-smoker. I'm in pretty good health, but I do have some prescription drugs that I have right now for heartburn and high blood pressure. And right now I'm paying about $92 a month for this health insurance plan right here. As you can see, I got a $5,000 deductible, $30 copays, $50 wellness benefit copays, inpatient up to $100 a day, outpatient $50 per day. All the information's right there. The one that's not going to be listed on here is the prescription drugs. So I have a couple cards. ID cards. I can use my prescription drug card at CVS, and so far all of the medications that I've been prescribed, all 6 of them here in 2019 were paid 100% by my insurance. Absolutely zero balance due for any of that, which is awesome. Oh my gosh. So having that connected to the insurance plan, and I talked about how fast it was. I mean, I was in and out in less than an hour, being seen by an urgent care doctor, getting my prescriptions in my hand, getting out on the road. I'm going to show you a little bit about how this works here in this program. So my particular insurance is run through or managed by My Benefits Keeper, and I would have to log in, and my insurance is through Life Shield, but this blanket has a couple different ones. Yours might be different for the same policy, but you can see this page right here allows me to just find a doctor, okay? So I'm in Florida, but I have insurance in South Dakota. How does that work? Well, right here we can enter in a new zip code. Okay, so I'm in Kissimmee, Florida right now, and then you can search by the type of doctor that you're looking for, whether that's urgent care or vision, or you need emergency care because you broke your foot or your ankle or something like that, and then you're going to get all these addresses. So I have actually filtered this down to just my providers, and so all of these, and you can see there are a lot just here in Kissimmee, Florida, all of these are available to me, and I would not do the online booking. I would definitely call the number on here and either make an appointment, or if you're doing the urgent care, then it doesn't really matter. Just find out what their hours are, go in, show your card, and it's going to be a $30 copay for the first 3 each year, and then nothing after that. So this interface right here is simple and easy to use, and I'm not restricted to only using it in South Dakota. So I strongly urge you to do your research and find out what else is available for. But if you don't have any other options and you were kind of stuck like me with your state back home insurance and then useless on the road, definitely give this a shot and look at those links below and talk to Zachary Roberts about possibly finding one of these national PPO plans that will allow you to pick from all of the places, all 50 states in the country for your insurance needs. And I think that's really, really helpful. I didn't even know something like this existed, to be honest with you. And I had to do quite a bit of research. And then obviously I wanted to test it out a few times on the road to make sure it really works the way I need it to work. And I am really happy with it so far. So far. If something changes, I will definitely let you guys know. But shoot Zachary Roberts over there an email if you're looking for something similar to what I got here. And let me know if you found something better, or if you see something working better for nomads out there. Let me know in the comments below. So I am staying here at a Cracker Barrel here in Kissimmee, Florida, which is RV overnight friendly. Big thank you to that. And I'm nearby Orlando. I am hungry, and I love their food here. If you've never eaten at Cracker Barrel, you gotta try it. They have some really good home-style food. And they have RV parking, long slots that are, they're marked for RVs and buses, and a sign indicating. And so far, no cars are parked here. I really appreciate them giving us a spot to park. What am I doing in Orlando? Because, I mean, obviously I'm not on the coast. Well, I had plans. I had plans for when I first got in to Florida. I'm not talking about Disney. I had other plans, and I'm working my way. I got to get there. Plus, I may be seeing Angela again here soon. Remember, she's still over in Texas, and she's got a senior cat that she's got to take care of. So until we are physically RV and RV, still some tricky complications there that we're working on. But anyway, we'll go inside and get some food. I love the feel of these home-style restaurants. You can sit outside, they'll call your name. I've done it before. Jacob's, party of one, your table is ready. How's that a party? One person? It's not a party. I usually get the dinner sampler, but they serve breakfast all day, so doing breakfast this time just to switch it up. I come here about once a week, by the way. I eat Cracker Barrel. It's always good food, I ain't gonna lie. It's just like Waffle House to me, you know, kind of like that comfort food type stuff. And, you know, I don't like shaming people. I don't get it. I come back out, and it's like, I have to shame them because it's not like they're mentally incapable. No, they're doing a devious thing. Now, if they walked out and like they had a blind cane, then I'd be, well, that would be even just about as creepy. No, but you're being an a-hole. There's no, you can read, you're just being an a-hole. There are lots and lots of spaces closer to the restaurant. I mean, it's pretty clear. There's no reason for this, guys. Explain that to me, guys. Issues. Anyway, I can't make people smart or not be an a-hole. Jackson and I will see you soon, guys. hope you enjoyed the insurance video, and I'm looking forward to getting back on the road. All right, bye guys.